Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody wants a cut line around this soccer mom. Pretty cool logo. I don't know if I guess they're going to print this. I don't know. I don't think they mentioned how close they need it. But when you select everything, these are different parts. So when you select it all, it's ungrouped. So when you select it all, the create a boundary tool comes up. We're going to see how big this thing is. Less than 6 inches, we're going to set our nudge factor on 7. We're going to grab it all. We're going to go to the boundary tool. And then I'm going to move it over. That's what she does not want. But now you take and go to effects in the contour to the outside, 1 step, 1/2 inch with rounded corners. Hit apply. Takes just a second because there's so many facets. Well, what Corel is doing, it can't get into those smaller spots. Now, go up and break the contour apart. And let's say that's too big of a cut line, okay? Now let's contour to the inside one time. Let's say 0.45. Break that apart and bring it over to our drawing. And that's pretty close. We got a little bit of a jagged edge, but that would work unless they need it right on the money. I think that's going to work for a cut line. And if that's too much, let's get rid of the other one. If they have X7 and above, which is this smoothing tool, and let's set this thing on like 2 inches and just grab that. And you could do this by hand. Just kind of smooth out some of these lines. You could almost do this on the subject to make sure you're not, if I was going to do this for real, I would make a copy of it. Let's make it a little bit. Let's bump up how it's going to react a little faster and just move your mouse around faster. Now move that over. See the difference? Now we're outside of her hair. But like I said, if you did it real time on top of each other, you'd have to probably group this together. But you want to turn this into a cusp so you could move each handle if you needed all the hair. And then just make sure it's a hairline. And in a case like at the bottom, it would maybe almost be better to square this off. Everything else looks pretty good. Just take these nodes and just delete them and kind of make it more, I don't know if this is for a label or a sticker. Right click and turn that into a cusp. And what the cusp is going to do is only allow you to make one turn at a time. Anyway, I hope that gave her some ideas, and thank you for watching.